Today I will show how to buy shares of KLX Energy Services Holdings Inc., ticker KLXE, listed on NASDAQ, and briefly explain who they are. KLX Energy Services provides equipment rental and field services to the energy sector. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, which typically requires an identity document, and you will need to add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker KLXE to find the correct listing. Confirm you are selecting the KLXE entry that trades on NASDAQ. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it is the right asset. Make sure the issuer name, exchange NASDAQ, and the KLXE ticker match what you expect. Click the Invest or Buy button, choose the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm to submit. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until trading opens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will request you add money before confirmation. Once executed, your KLXE position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Link to eToro is in the description for reference.